This is Jenny Naslund, and today we're going to do an overview of Google Drive and some of the features that can help you get organized and stay organized in your Google Drive account. So the first thing I'm going to show you how to do is to create a folder. And the cool thing about Google Drive is you can actually create folders within folders. So I'm in my Google Drive account. The first thing I'll do is go to New, and then I'll just say New Folder. And then I can go ahead and name this something, and you want to think about your naming structure. You want to name it so that maybe you'll name it for groups you're in or courses you're in or the school year, but something that you'll be able to use easily and come back to. So let's say I'm going to make a math folder for the 2017-2018 school year, and I'll click create, and then my new folder will come up. I can also create folders within folders if I'd like to. Maybe I'm going to do our times tables in this folder right here and create it. So you can create folders within folders if you would like. Next, I'm going to show you how to move files into a folder. So let's say I have a file somewhere on my page here that I didn't sort, and I know I have some here at the bottom. All right. I have this clues from the trash activity. Let's say I want to move that into my new math folder. So if I do a right click or a two-finger click there and I say move to, I can find the folder that I just created, and they come up in alphabetical order, and I can click on it. It would allow me to put it in there if I needed to, or I could even create a new folder if I chose to. And I would just click move here and it would move it there. Another cool thing that Google Drive allows you to do is to star documents and even folders if you would choose to. So let's go find that math folder again. And there it is. Oh, no, that's my welfare drive. There we go. And let's say I want to look at this document. I can do a right click on it and I can add a star. And the nice thing about that is if you notice over here, you can actually search by starred things. So if it's something that's really important to you, you could star it, and that way it would be a really quick, easy way to find it when you're looking for things in your drive. Another feature that is really useful in Google Drive is that you can upload PDFs or anything that's on your desktop, or even something, if you find a PDF or a presentation online that you want to upload into your Google account, you can do that. So let's say I want to upload something. I oftentimes like to find the folder that I'd like to upload it first to, but if you wanted to just upload it and then move it to the correct folder, you could do that as well. Let's say I'm here and I want to upload something. If I just go to New, and I'm going to say File Upload. You can also upload a whole folder if you would choose to do that. I'm going to click on File Upload, and right now it just brought me right to my desktop. I would go ahead and find the activity that I was working on, and I would say Open, and then I would just wait, and it would upload into my folder. So that's a great way to back up things on your computer. Remember, things on your computer can easily get erased. So backing them up into your Google Drive account is the safest way to keep things safe so they don't get deleted. All right, next we're going to talk about opening, previewing, and deleting files. So let's say I wanted to look at this document right here. If I do my right click on it and go to preview, I can get a preview of what it looks like. If I wanted to, I could also delete this. So if I just do a right click and say remove, it would delete it from my folder. And if I wanted to open it up, I would just do a double click and it would open up the file for me as well. That's how we open, preview, and delete files. Other things that are really useful in Google Drive is that we can easily share things amongst each other. So let's say I wanted to share something that I was working on with a colleague. I'm going to share this story. Let's say I'm going to share this letter here. If I open it up, I can either open it and share it from here up in the corner, but I can also share it if I go back. I can also share it by right-clicking on it and going to share. And we have a lot of different options when we share. First thing I could do is type the person's name that I want to share it with. Click on it. I can add as many people as I want. I could add a note like that, and then they'll get that in an email so they know to look at it. And then if I click on here, I have a couple different options. I have the can edit, meaning they can change things on it. They can make comments on it, so they can add their comments in, or they can view this, meaning they can't, they can look at it, but they can't make any changes. Other options that I have is up here, I can get a shareable link, and in here I have anyone at the Westonka Public Schools with the link can view it. So if you are a student or a teacher and you have a Westonka email account, you would be able to view this document. But I can also change it so other people can view it. I can make it so that people can comment and edit it, but then I can also, if I go to more here, I can put it public on the web so anyone can find it, or I can change it to anyone with the link can look for it. This is what you'd want to do if you wanted to share something with parents because they don't have a Westonka email account. I could click on that and they would be able to view it and look at it without running into accessibility issues. So those are a couple of the things that we felt was important for you to know about Google Drive.